Hello, I'm back with another video. I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to set up a canopy to go on my bed. The canopy is going to be 10 feet tall and it's going to be 6 feet wide. I purchased the items from Temu. T-E-M-U, Temu. Okay, came out of these boxes. It did not come with instructions. Wait, okay. I take that back. It does come with instructions. I got 20 tie backs. And I got the instruction manual right here. And all of these rods, well, almost all of them are numbered. So these are the corners. You place them at the top. And this one has number 5 on it. And this one has number 6 on it. And you just follow the instructions. Okay, now the number 1s are the L. No, this is number 2 right here. Okay, I'm looking for. Okay, I'm looking for number 1. This is number 2. Okay, these are the numbers right there. I'm looking for number 1. Okay. Okay, I got the I got the rods up, but I would have to put the drapes up, the canopy. So you have to kind of pre-measure before you put it on the hooks. This seems wide enough. Not as quite as wide as I want it to be though. It's short. I don't like it. I don't know, maybe if I wrap it around or something. Okay, this is the end result of the canopy that I put up. As you can see in the package, it was not enough of the panels or like the curtains to go around the canopy. They were short, so next time I'm going to purchase a larger size, more like a king or queen size, where the curtains will be longer and will be able to cover the entire canopy bed. It was shorter than this, but luckily enough, I had a curtain I bought from Goodwill, and this is it right here that I'm showing you. It is black, but still there are gaps in the canopy. What I'm going to do is buy some more curtains to extend the canopy. That way it'll be filled and there will not be any gaps. It has pretty good coverage, but it just was not enough curtains. Okay, that's it for this project. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.